Today you can join me for one day at the South African Nationals. Let's go to the airfield, get some breakfast and prepare the glider. Two airways, also level 1 to 5 running, so the total duration is then first launch or time. I'm flying here in the double-seater in the duo-discus with different juniors or young pilots who have got so much experience with cross-country flying and competition flying. Today, the second time with Moritz, doing close for the day. Today we're doing 416 kilometers. I'm quite excited for the day.
Flight. Zach, have a great flight.
It's not a competition launch, it's a private launch. Yeah, no. Just checking.
We had a good aero tow up to 600 meters. Now we are in the first thermal with about 1.8 meters up to 2 meters per second and climbing. On the other side, there we can already see a big gaggle with a lot of gliders thermaling in the blue. It is quite cold here, so I got the cover, the canopy cover. And we're here in 4,400 meters already. Yeah. But we are not sure if we can finish the task today, because it's still 177 kilometers and they told us the thermals will shut down already now at 4 o'clock or half past or so. Moritz, how's your flight today?
It's awesome flying with Stefan.
So we are very curious how it smells here. And there's another one thermaling just slightly to the left hand. Oh, you are a genius.
No, not I'm lucky.
242. It's 5 o'clock. So awesome.
Yeah.
So rewarding. So it looks like we have enough final glide altitude here.
Yeah. Today was obviously great fun. We started at the back of the grid, so we had to climb our way, and we started last the double-seaters. At the 80 meters starting ahead of us, and the first leg we had to get our bearings. The thermals were quite broken at some points. After that we caught up to some of the 18-meter guys, but with very strong winds between 40 and 60 kilometers an hour. On my Alex and on Stefan's Alex it was mostly 20 kilometers an hour less, and yeah, we thought the main goal was just to get home so we can have a beer and get a barbecue. If that even means that we don't complete the task, because we don't have a trailer at the moment. But we managed to go around. and at the moment we're on final glide for Potchefstroom, 300 meters above, with the other guys, 80-meter guys, 1,000 meters below us. So we're quite happy chappies. Yeah. And I really learned a lot from Stefan. He's always encouraging me to do better and pointing out where I can improve. So he's really helped me a lot.
And how did you get into gliding?
So I'm an engineer, a design engineer for Yonkers Airplanes. So I started about 4 years back, and then Ace was my instructor. So I went to Ace and I told him I really would like to fly. I have a passion for aviation. And then after work in the evenings or just before it goes dark, he would take me for flights and be my instructor. And then from then on I flew a lot with Philip, Ace's son as well. And being in the gliding world, I really have a big passion for it, and I just don't get enough time to fly, but I really like flying. To the right if you can, at the end, because then it's closer to the car and there's more space for other people. Okay. Good job.
We go out quickly.
Yes. Thank you for the nice flight, Stefan.
Awesome, it was so fun with you.